What is the current global supply of clotting factor concentrates, and what realistically is the level we need to reach in the next 5 or 10 years to make a big difference in levels of care?
If we aspire to what seems to be the new relative benchmark of 3 IUs per capita, then we should be aspiring for something like 20 billion.
But if you want to double the global supply to 20 billion, it's got to be recombinant product.
Every IU that's manufactured gets used. And I think Brian's right that a new product coming in does not mean the end of the old products.
Having a reliable organization like the WFH in putting specific rules and specific instructions or who to admit on this twin track pricing, that's going to be very good for that.